Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather here for the next 10 days. And it looks like some relief finally on the way, both in terms of rain as well as some cooler temperatures. But we have to get into the end of the weekend and first of next week. End of the weekend for the rain and next week to see and experience the cooler temperatures. Today, another very hot day as temperatures already well above 100 with lots of sunshine. Notice southern part of the area here in Coushatta is starting to see those cumulus clouds building up as we are starting to see those pop-up showers and thunderstorms develop mainly over the southern half of the area. Notice more sunshine, fewer clouds in Texarkana across the northern sections of the ArkLaTex. Heat index values today, again, already above 110. Likely we'll see similar conditions tomorrow as temperatures will likely once again surpass 100 across the region. Expect another excessive heat warning tomorrow and possibly even Sunday as well, as we're not looking at much relief in terms of temperatures for Sunday. Burn bans. We did add another location today, Columbia County. Now all of southwest Arkansas under a burn ban, and we have just 4 counties left that do not currently have burn bans. And again, the fire danger will continue to be rather high with the hot temperatures and the relatively dry air that we have in place. Still watching the upper level ridge, which is centered to the west of the ArkLaTex. It is going to move into the Rockies here in the next couple of days. You can see this line of rain right here. That's associated with a cold front, which is slowly going to be moving southward here during the next few days. And once it arrives, you will see a pretty good uptick in the coverage of the showers and thunderstorms, perhaps as soon as late Sunday and Sunday night. Here's a look at Robin's Toyota Futurecast, and you can see that as we progress our way through the nighttime hours tonight, we're going to be looking at a clear to partly cloudy sky tomorrow. The pop-up thunderstorms will begin to develop across parts of the area during the afternoon. That activity, as we cool off tomorrow evening, will come to an end. And then Sunday, we'll see another even better chance for scattered showers or thunderstorms. Futurecast kind of highlighting East Texas, Northwest Louisiana, and the southern sections of southwest Arkansas. That activity will wind down, but as the front begins to move in Sunday night, you can see more showers and thunderstorms possibly developing over the northern edge of the area, and those thunderstorms will gradually develop more and more to the south Sunday night and during the day Monday before we begin another extended period of dry weather on Tuesday. Now again, models have been trending upward as far as rainfall potential here over the course of the last couple of days, and that has continued today. Here's the latest from Futurecast, and you can see it's showing kind of feast or famine. Some locations may see less than 1/10 of an inch. Some locations could see totals more than 2 inches. You can see these yellow areas, very isolated in nature. That's where Futurecast showing 1 to over 2 inches of rain will be possible. So keep your fingers crossed that you're one of the lucky ones that gets the heavier rainfall amounts. But generally speaking, if you look at all the different models, they kind of zero in at around 1/2 an inch. But notice pretty much anywhere there is that potential of seeing heavier rainfall amounts. In the tropics, we have 2 systems. We have Franklin, which is still a tropical storm. It probably will stay east of the U.S. coast. And then we have another disturbance developing off the coast of the Yucatan. This is forecast right now. You can see the models currently handling it, sending it into Florida during the last half of next week, depending on exactly where it goes. That's something to watch in case we do see some changes in that outlook. So your forecast tonight is looking partly cloudy and warm. We'll see lows in the mid to upper 70s, 79 in Shreveport, 77 in Texarkana. Another very hot day on the way tomorrow, despite that chance for the scattered thunderstorm. We'll top out at 105 in Shreveport, 102 in Texarkana, 103 in Marshall. The heat index likely again will surpass 110, and don't expect much relief Sunday as we'll see highs again several degrees above 100. But notice the rainfall chances increasing, especially late Sunday and Sunday night. That will shift to the south Monday, and then we'll begin that extended period of mainly dry weather but cooler weather as highs will fall to the middle 90s, lows will fall into the upper 60s to low 70s, but triple digits could return to end the 10-day period as we look ahead to next weekend. So again, we are looking at better rainfall chances as we go through the weekend. Still quite a bit of heat this weekend, but cooler temperatures on the way as we go through next week.